Yes, my lord, I beg to mention from part 2, hearing list, my lord. Item 21. My lord,
Item?
21, my lord.
Huh.
I pray for 6 adjournment, my lord. Let this matter come up after summer break, my lord.
After. So at once.
I have some personal difficulties, my lord.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr. N.K. Wickham, the learned counsel for the appellant. Listed after the summer break on
15, my lord. 15 July.
15 is a summer break.
My lord, no, summer break here is from
From 12 to
12 to
21.
then 29, my lord, 29 July.
Summer break on 29/7/2024.
Yes, please.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 20, Your Lordship. Lordship, if the matter can be posted after 2 weeks, Your Lordship, after vacation, Your Lordship.
You have the counsel for the
Petitioner, Your Lordship. Appellant, Your Lordship. Make it.
M. Solo.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are not the petitioner.
Appellant, Your Lordship. Respondent 2 and 3, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. M. Solo, learned counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3, listed after 2 weeks.
Lordship. Lordship, I also beg to mention item number 22, Your Lordship.
Item?
22, Your Lordship.
Uh,
For the petitioner, Your Lordship.
uh,
Lordship, I pray that the matter be posted on 22, Your Lordship. Here, the leading counsel is out of station, Your Lordship.
okay, 22.
Out of station counsel, Your Lordship.
Okay.
22. Lordship, similar prayer for item number 4, Your Lordship.
No, just 22, no?
Yes, Your
On
Lordship.
the prayer of Mr. M. Solo, learned counsel for the petitioner, listed on
22 July.
22/7/2024. Okay.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 4, Your Lordship. Lordship, here I am paying for response number 3, Your Lordship.
Ah,
I am for the petitioner, your lordship.
On the prayer of Mr. M. Solo, learned counsel for the respondent number 3, listed after,
On 22, your lordship,
20.
after vacation.
listed on
22, your lordship.
22/7/2024.
Lordship, much obliged.
I beg to mention, your lordship, item number 10.
Item,
10.
ah,
The same may be placed on
yes, Mr. MT.
22.
Lordship, I am for respondent number 1, 2, 4, and 5.
Ah. Any objection?
No.
Mr. PP Ball, the learned counsel for the petitioner seeks adjournment of the case on 22 too many cases on, were listed on 23rd, on 23/7/2024,
My lord,
listed accordingly.
my lord, in item number 4, I am having interim. Item number 4.
Item number,
4. Interim,
we have adjourned this,
item number 4.
we have adjourned it.
Yes, yes. I am having,
Okay, your name, Mr. PP Ball, learned counsel appears for the petition.
interim order was there.
Okay, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay,
Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
yes,
Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 25, hearing number 25 from supplementary cost list, your lordship. Your lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of my senior Gauhati. Your lordship, as my senior is out of station, so I brought it late this matter come after a week, your lordship.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Gauhati, learned CGC, and seeks adjournment of the case after a week on the ground that the learned CGC is out of station. Prayer is allowed, listed after a week. Okay,
Obliged, your lordship.
Please, your lordship.
yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item 11. Kindly grant me 1 week to find my objection.
item 11.
Yes,
You're the counsel for the
respondent.
respondent. Objection to?
Objection on maintainability, lordship.
Okay, okay. You have raised issue on maintainability.
Yes, lordship.
Your good name?
Rovi Menoton.
You're the
Agree on
counsel for
behalf
the,
of-
counsel for the sole respondent?
Yes,
Sole respondent?
yes, lordship.
MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the sole respondent is granted,
1 week.
Your lordship, the interim may be continued.
is granted a week's time to file objection to the maintainability, Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next returnable date. Okay,
Much.
yes.
May it pleases your lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord. I am for the petitioner ICICI Lombard. I will be granted 2 weeks time to take fresh steps upon the respondents.
upon which respondents, ma'am?
Respondent 1, my lord. There is a MSc appeal. None appeared on their behalf, so I may be allowed to take steps upon all of
This-
them.
Item 16, item 16.
16, my lord. 16, my lord.
16, you want to take steps on respondent number
All the respondents.
of the respondents, okay. MS so-and-so. Learned counsel for the applicant is allowed 2 weeks' time to take steps for service of notice upon all the respondents by registered post with AD within a period of 7 days from today. Okay? 7 days from
My lord,
today,
my lord, a date may be fixed. Any date, my lord.
listed after, listed on
Any date, my lord.
23/7/2024.
My
Okay.
lord.
Next,
Highly.
notice. Yes,
May it please, Lord.
Yes,
May I
Mr.
pray
Lukam.
for adjournment in part one, from part one, my lord, item 5 and 6. And for the respondent number 1. And
I
my
am here.
honored friend, Mr. Raman, will be appearing through VC. My
I am
lord,
here, 5 and 6, Lordship. The pleadings are complete, Lordship, here.
let the matter come up for hearing in its usual course, my lord.
Mr.
Meetings
Jamir,
for-
you are for?
Yes, I paid through BC.
Okay.
Petitioner.
Oh, you are for petitioner.
Lordship.
Okay.
I am for the petitioner, H. Rahman.
Yes. We will list it for hearing.
My lord,
Hearings are come.
and my lord, the appearance of the PP may be reflected in the course title, my lord. Directly,
This is item 5 and 6.
5 and 6, my lord.
5 and 6.
In both the case, my lord, as per the order of this court, the state is implemented as respondent number 2. But in
So
the course
who is
list,
for the state?
Yes, state is the main party as per the Honorable High Court's order, state made a party. They have not yet filed any affidavit, Lordship.
Please wait, Mr. Raman.
Lordship, my colleague, Mr. V. Jimomi, Lordship.
Have you filed any affidavit? Yes, Mr. Raman.
Yes, Lordship.
State has not filed any affidavit.
No affidavit has been filed till today.
So we give time to the state to file affidavit.
That's Lordship. I
Will
don't
it be
know.
necessary for you to file affidavit?
No, my affidavit is a private.
The state.
Yes, Lord.
Lordship, my colleague is in the case. So sometime you've given, Lordship.
Lordship.
Okay, we'll list it for hearing and in the meantime, let the state file affidavit.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lord. Hmm?
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties. No, not that. Heard Mr. Counsel, heard Mr. H. Raman, senior advocate, assisted by Mr. I. Jamir, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Ankur Likam, learned counsel for the
respondent 1.
respondent number 1, and Mr. Kiangami on behalf of Mr. V. Jimomi, learned PP. On the submissions made by the parties, list the case for hearing. On 25/7/2024. In the meantime, the state shall file affidavit if so advised. Okay. Okay. For motion, item number 1.
May I
Yes.
please, Lordship. Lordship, by this civil revision petition,
Uh,
I'm assailing the order dated 15/11/2023, passed by the district judge Mon. Lordship, if I may be allowed to,
Which is
Please.
that order? Which is that order?
15/11/2023,
Which
Pardon?
page?
page at 262, annex to 20.
What is wrong with this order?
Lordship, if I may be allowed to briefly state the facts of the case, Lordship. Now, Lordship, since 2001, there was a dispute over portion of land between two villages. Now, during the time of the dispute, as per the traditional practice, there was an oath taking. Now, as per the oath taking in the year 2008, the ADC Judicial has passed an order directing both the parties, directing the administration to demarcate the boundary at the place where oath was taken. Now, initially, the dispute was between village and the village. Now, aggrieved by this order, initially, my village, we went by way of civil revision before this honorable court. And in the year 2017, Lordship, this honorable court also upheld the order of the ADC Judicial. Therefore, my village has decided, let us just give it away. Now, the issue started in the year 2018. Now, Lordship, the village of the respondent, the direction is very clear to call upon the parties and then take them to the place where oath was taken and demarcate the boundary. Now, in the year 2018, what happened is that, Lordship, the opposite party, the respondent party, they ventured into the area which was never a place of dispute. Now, because of this issue, Lordship, now the issue has become between individual and a village. Now, I was never a party back then, till the year 2017. But in the year 2018, when the respondent village ventured into my land, now it is there where I went and then I destroyed the farm huts and all the cultivation.
How did this court decide whether the land which you are alleging has been encroached is a part and parcel of the land which was decided by the ADC Judicial? How do this court decide?
So, Lordship, because the oath was not taken at the place where they
No. You are saying that actually like in the ADC Judicial
Yes, Lordship.
has actually decided this matter,
Yes, Lordship.
correct?
Yes, Lordship.
Decided this matter. And the place where the oath was taken
Yes, Lordship.
was to be demarcated as the boundary between
Yes,
the two parties.
yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
Thereafter, aggrieved by that order, you came in a revision before this court.
Yes, Lordship.
This court has dismissed your revision.
In
Okay.
a way, upholding the order of the ADC Judicial.
And dismissing your revision,
Yes, Lordship.
correct? And that is how you have decided to abide by the order passed by the
Yes,
ADC
Lordship.
Judicial.
Yes, Lordship.
Now you are saying that the other party has encroached the land beyond the decision given by the ADC Judicial.
Yes, Lordship.
How do this court decide
Lordship,
as
here-
to whether that land which is alleged to have been encroached is part of the land which was decided by ADC Judicial or not?
Now, Lordship, here, the matter of dispute, the earlier dispute, the name of the place was called Changhong Changling. Now, the present dispute is called Kohima Painung area.
That's what I'm saying.
So, Lordship, now here,
But the present dispute is called, present area is called
Kohima Painung.
Pohong.
Kohong, PHOIHONG.
PHOIHONG.
IHONG. Yeah,
Pohong.
Kohong Painung. BYNUNG.
PYNUNG. Okay. So the decided the place which was decided by ADC Judicial is Changhong. Changling.
Yes, Lordship.
And now you are alleging that the petitioner is encroaching on the land.
The respondent.
Respondent is encroaching on the land which is called
Kohong
Pangyong.
Painung. Yes, Lordship.
How do this court decide that issue?
No, Lordship.
Whether actually Pangyong is a part of the land in Changhong, Changling. How do this court decide?
Lordship.
This court, I think that'll need evidence.
Lordship, actually, that the direction has already been given. And here, Lordship, we are not even seeking for a fresh direction, Lordship. We are only seeking for the enforcement of the direction that has been passed in the year 2008 and the same that has been upheld by this honorable court in the year 2017, Lordship.
No, that is okay. That is okay. That is okay. Because actually there is an order passed by ADC Judicial, which has been upheld by this court. That is okay.
And Lordship,
But as per your case, you are alleging that actually the respondent is now encroaching on this Poihong Pangyong, which is a part of Janghong Jangling. How do this court decide
So
that? issue?
Lordship, it is never a part of Changhong Changling. Lordship.
So how exactly that's why? How do this court decide that issue?
So Lordship, normally when an
I think
audit-
you will have to actually file a suit seeking for a declaration that Pangyong is not a part of Janghong Jangling. That is the only recourse available to you.
Okay. No, Lordship, but when an audit is taken and when a direction is given to demarcate the place where audit is taken. So the
I am
area-
with you on that.
The area of dispute is Yanghong Jangling.
I am on you. I am with you on that. I am with you.
Lordship.
I am with you on that. Because actually that has been decided by ADC Judicial, upheld by this court.
Yes, Lordship.
But there is a new twist. There is a new twist.
Yes, Lord.
Because you are actually saying that Paihong Pangyong is a part and parcel of Janghong Jangling. How do this court decide that? That is a matter of evidence. You have to file a suit for declaring that Poihong Pangyong is not a part and parcel of Janghong Jangling. To give a direction, like to enforce the order passed by ADC, there's no problem. But to actually give a declaration that Poihong Pangyong is a part and parcel of Janghong Jangling,
So Lordship,
I think this court will not be able to give that direction.
so my prayer, Lordship, is that
Yes, please.
to enforce the direction of the 2008 and the same that has been upheld by this honorable court.
Yes, Mr. Siti, you are for the other side, I believe.
Yes, actually, Lordship, this is a matter where the dispute between the two villages have been decided on the basis of taking oath. And before taking oath, map was already drawn. It was a dispute between the two villages, Totok Chingyu and the Dangha village. The present writ petitioner is a stranger to the dispute actually, because it has been filed in the individual capacity, whereas the dispute between the parties was two villages, Liangha village and the Totok Chengyu village. I belong to Totok Chengyu village. Now, there was a long dispute about this land. Therefore, in order to resolve once for all, the district administration was also concerned to decide and resolve this issue. Therefore, a map was drawn. And the parties, both the parties, that is two villages, they have agreed to take oath by biting the soil. And the condition was, whoever village the deed occurs first, they will be the loser. Both the parties have accepted, yes, we'll go by that. So it was left with the Almighty to take a decision that in whoever village deed occurs first, they will be the loser. Unfortunately for them, unfortunately, in a one way for us, deed occurs first in their village. Therefore, they were declared as loser. And at the time of taking the oath, the map was already drawn, and the head Dowashi has already explained to put the parties that, look, this is the map. They have already drawn the map. Unfortunately, the writ petitioner in the present proceeding, they have not enclosed that map. Rather, they have enclosed a new map, which was not before the Additional Deputy Commissioner Che Moon also. A new map has been drawn and that has been placed
The map of the disputed land was placed before the ADC Judicial
earlier.
Even
at the time of taking the oath, that map was drawn. And that area, the entire area is called, in short, Changhong Changling area. And the spot which they are claiming is Baihong Bernong is not a part of the Changhong Changling area. That is what they are claiming. But it is already there within the map, within the parameters of Changhong Changling area. Baihong Bernong was also a part of the land that they filed a writ petition before this honorable court, taking an issue that, look, the same issue which they are raising now, Baihong Bernong is not a part of the land within Changhong Changling. That was the claim. That writ petition they have withdrawn. We have not insisted to withdraw, but on their own, on their own volition, they have withdrawn that case. And what happened? till 2018, why there was no dispute? Because although the decision of the ADC was in 2008, they have filed a revision petition challenging the order passed by the ADC Moon. Therefore, although the case and order is in our favor, to give due respect to the sanctity of law, the rule to maintain the rule of law, look, the matter is pending before the High Court. So let us not cultivate the land till the matter is resolved by the High Court. And we have advice accordingly also, don't touch. Because villagers want to cultivate where we will cultivate. The order is in our favor. We want to cultivate, we want to do it, but then we stop them, no. Matter is pending in the court, so wait. And matter got decided in 2017. And Lordship is well aware about the Chom cycle. It's normally done in the December and January only. So we cultivated up to the matter is decided by the High Court, which has upheld the order passed by the ADC. The ADC's order is in consonance with the oath taken by the parties. So there is a consistent order in our favor. So up to the order was passed in 2017, in 2018, we started cultivating the land. What happened? We have constructed the thatched houses in the kitty. Normally, thatched houses are built. This, the present petitioner, he has destroyed 5 granaries, thatched houses. Therefore, we lodge a complaint to the Deputy Commissioner. Look, although the matter is decided in our favor and we have cultivated, and this person has destroyed our houses. So he was arrested. After he was arrested, when he was in the detention, he filed a complaint before the DC, claiming what they are claiming. So DC has endorsed that complaint to the SDO, EAC Sadar. In the district office, Sadar is looking after the administration. So Sadar was entrusted. Sadar has summoned all the parties. Notice was issued, both the parties appeared, and the EAC Sadar has examined the order passed in 2008 by the ADC J. Moon, and also the order which has been passed by the Honorable Court in 2017. On consideration of all this, the EAC has given the decision so as to comply with the order passed by the ADC J. Moon and this Honorable Court in 2017. In other words, the EAC Sadar Moon has upheld the order passed by the ADC J. Moon in 2008 and the order passed by this Honorable Court in 2017. So that was the order. By having agreed by that, they have filed an appeal before the DC Moon against the order passed by the not before the DC Moon. They have filed a writ petition before the Honorable Court against the order passed by EAC Sadar Moon.
Against the order passed by EAC, appeal was preferred before?
No. Writ petition was filed before the Honorable Court, and we raised objection. They have withdrawn themselves the writ petition.
No, you were making a submission that the matter was adjudicated before EAC.
And after withdrawal, they have filed an appeal before the DC under Rule 31, before the Deputy Commissioner. District Judge, sorry.
Against whose order?
Against the EAC's order. First, they tried their luck before the Honorable Court by way of filing a writ petition that was withdrawn, and thereafter, they have filed an appeal before the DC Moon under District Judge, sorry, under Rule 31 of the Rules for Administration of Justice and Police in Nagaland. That was also dismissed. Now, against that, they are coming before this Honorable Court by filing this petition under Article 227, read with Section 115 CBC. Now, Lordship is well aware how a revision petition can be filed and in what manner. Grounds has to be formulated under Chapter 5P of roll one, so.
Now,
roll four. That is one.
will it be correct? Will it be correct
Lordship.
if I say that the order passed by ADC Judicial,
Lordship.
upheld by this court in revision,
Lordship.
cannot be enforced unless the issue of Pui Hong Pengyung is decided?
No, Lordship. That will
Because
not
that is the
be-
issue raised by them.
That is why this Parnong is already there within the decided plan, demarcated plan. It is within. They are only trying to build up a new case. Unless they create a fresh controversy, they will have no case.
Can you kindly show me by the previous orders that Pai Hong Pengyung was also a subject matter of the dispute?
It was there.
Yeah, that's why it was, you are saying that it is within
Yes.
Jiang Hong,
It
Jiang
was
Ling.
there.
Let us see whether there is any
It was
order to
there.
that effect.
Lordship, kindly see this. That copy of the order is there and then demarcation is already done.
So that is not a part of this,
They have not enclosed. Actually, this document is very vital document. They could have enclosed this. So I would also want to raise that they have suppressed the material facts. By suppressing material facts, they have approached this honorable court
where is that
so as to
relevant
get
portion?
the favorable order.
Where is that relevant portion?
No, Lordship, what I'm trying to show before your Lordship is how the case was decided and whether map was there. Within the map is also enclosed.
This map,
Yes,
this map was part and parcel of the records
yes,
before the lower court.
yes. And Parnong is within this map.
Where, nothing is mentioned here.
On the basis of this, oath was taken on the basis of this map, and they have not enclosed.
Pui Hong Pengyung.
Fine.
That is
Where
not
is that?
mentioned.
Where
That
is
is
that?
not mentioned here, but that is in the shaded area.
So this will be difficult for, anyhow.
That is why,
We
Lordship.
give you an opportunity, you file your affidavit.
Lordship.
Let us see. Because I think petitioner, you are actually giving something before this court to decide which would actually require evidence.
And
Lordship,
Lordship, my objection is, even the revision petition is not maintainable because there is a provisions for appeal. And unless they exhaust that remedy, they cannot file this revision petition by way of.
They had filed appeal before the district judge
Yes,
from the order passed by EAC.
yes.
Correct.
Yes,
What is the appellate forum
they can file an
from
appeal
EAC to
by way of a second appeal before this honorable court also.
second appeal before this court
Yes.
from the order of a EAC?
No, against the order of the district judge.
No, the district judge has stated that in his order that under Rule 31, he has no power to decide the appeal.
Yes, but admittedly.
So
the-
what in your opinion?
Admittedly, the order has been passed by the deputy commissioner. So if anybody is aggrieved by that order, which has been filed in an appeal, then they can file a second.
No,
appeal before the
Mr.
honorable court.
City, the base order is the order passed by EAC.
Yes,
So I am just inquiring whether actually what is the appellate forum from the order passed by EAC?
our rules are silent about that. But they have filed an order before, appeal before the deputy commissioner. District judge, sorry.
Hmm.
But under the rules, it is the deputy commissioner. But the rules have not been framed accordingly.
Okay, you file your affidavit. Bringing everything on record, let us examine both sides.
Yes, but Lordship, so far as the interim is concerned, they have sought to pass an interim order by this honorable court, which was passed in 2018. So at this.
So for the ends of justice, we direct status quo. If you are in possession of the land, that will not harm you.
Yes, yes.
So we direct status quo.
Lordship.
Okay.
Court person.
Anyone for the government? Any instructions required? Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. The present petition has been filed. The question set aside. The order dated 15/11/2023, passed by the learned district judge, Mon, dismissing civil appeal number 2/2022. And also for quashing and setting aside the order dated 27/7/2018, passed by ESC within Brigade Sadar Mon in civil revision case number 2/2018. Correct. Stop. The petitioner has further prayed for a direction, has further sought for a direction to the Deputy Commissioner Mon to enforce the judgment and order dated 22/2008, passed by the learned ADC Judicial, for demarcating the physical boundary of Changhong-Jangling area in the presence of the parties concerned. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents, returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. Siti Jamil, the learned senior counsel, appears for the respondent number 1.
Yes.
And Mr. V. Jamomi, the learned government advocate, appears for the respondent number 2. Stop. Since both the respondents are represented, no formal notice need be issued to the respondents. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall however serve requisite copies of the revision petition to the learned counsel for the respondents within.
Lordship, I've already served the copies.
In the course of the day, if not served. Okay.
Lordship, I may be allowed to raise the issue of preliminary objection
Correct.
in the later stage.
Mr. Siti Jamil, the learned senior counsel, seeks for some time to file affidavit in opposition and also to raise preliminary issues on the maintainability of the revision petition. Okay. Listed after 4 weeks.
Lordship, lower court record may also be called for
Which
to
law?
save time. From the district judge, Moon.
Okay. In the interim, the status quo of the land, status quo on the land as regard what Poi Hang,
Pui Hong Pai No, Pai No, Pui Hong Pai No,
Poi Hang Pang Yung.
Pai No,
Kindly give the spelling.
BYNUNG.
You got it, Kavi? Shall be maintained. The stop registry shall call for the records from the court of the learned district and
Judge
session district judge Mon. Okay.
Right, Lord.
From the supplementary cost list for motion item number 23.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, by this revision petition, the petitioner is assailing the judgment and order of DB's court on the ground that the DB's court does not have the jurisdiction to decide appeal of the GB's court, as it is in violation of the rules. May I proceed with the facts, lordship?
Yes. Let us see that order passed by GB's court.
Lordship. Lordship will find this in Annexure 3, page 27.
The translated.
The translated copy is in page 28, Lordship. Married, Lordship.
Yes. Yes, please.
Case number 25, dated 29/11/2023. Land dispute between families of Nicole Julia Belho versus late Billy Sorhe at Sicherer. Late Billy Sorhe is the petitioner's father, Lordship, late father. Judgment passed after hearing both the parties.
This Belho is
Belho is the respondent in this part.
in this present petition.
Petition, yes.
And Belle Sorhe is
He's
the
the father of the petitioner.
is the petitioner.
He's the late father of the present petitioner.
Oh, that's why he is the petitioner in the present petition.
Uh,
Who is the petitioner?
Petitioner is the son of late Billy Sorhe.
Ah, that's what I'm asking.
Yes, Lordship. May I continue, Lordship?
Please.
One, judgment passed after the parties were made to demarcate, show their own boundaries themselves. Number two, during the spot verification, a detailed observation was carried out and the natural demarcation of landscape forming the boundaries were found to be definitive. The demarcation of the boundaries shown by late Billy's family appears to be correct. Therefore, we concluded that the land in dispute belongs to late Billy's family. Number three.
So this GB's order is in your favor.
It's in my favor, Lordship. Number three, accordingly requesting both the parties to accept the judgment passed by this court, the judges, Nicole Julia Belho, Judge Sorhe, late Billy Sorhe.
Yes, where is the order passed by the DB's court?
Lordship, it's in Annexure 1, and the type copy is in
Yes.
page 20.
Just wait, just wait.
Lordship.
This was an endorsement,
Yes,
on
Lordship.
endorsement.
Yes,
The
Lordship.
case was decided on endorsement.
Right, Lordship. Lordship, initially the respondent
Yes, we-
has written a
yes.
letter.
Yes, please.
Lordship, initially the respondent has written a letter to Deputy Commissioner on appeal, to decide on appeal. However, the Deputy Commissioner instead of taking up the matter himself, has endorsed it to the RO. Your Lordship will find this application of the respondent to the Deputy Commissioner in page 29, annexure 4. And after that, Lordship will find in page 30 that the DC has already forwarded it to the RO, and the RO has forwarded the same to the DB's court, Kohima, to adjudicate the matter.
Okay, heard,
Okay.
Mr. Censor? Learned counsel for the petitioner. So the present revision petition has been filed by the petitioner to quash and set aside the order dated 24/5/2024 passed by the DBS court in poll case number 3/2024. It is the case of the petitioner that the DBS court has no jurisdiction to decide an issue in appeal from the order passed by the GBS court. Issue notice,
Lordship, I have an interim prayer also.
yes, issue notice to the respondents. Returnable after 4 weeks. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent by a registered post with AD within a period of 7 days from today,
Also, Lordship, allow me to serve a notice through Dusty also.
as well as by dusty process. Stop. In the interim, considering the submissions made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and on perusal of the petition, the order dated 24/5/2024 passed by the DBS court in poll case number 3/2024 shall remain suspended till further orders of this court. Okay,
And you oblige, Lordship.
for motion, item number 24. Mr. Jimomi.
Yes, my lord.
I think I am disabled from taking up this case. Yes, sir. I am disabled from taking up this case. And this is
I would-
connected to
I-
this. I don't want to get into unnecessary controversy.
I understand. Even I was mentally thinking about it. I would suggest that this matter may be listed before the Honorable Chief Justice. Because there are very serious issues.
See, when I have expressed my difficulties to go into this matter,
Correct.
I think that submission
No, we-
will be best.
I welcome it because that, I know the intricacies, but I cannot straight away say that.
So
Because,
let this be placed before the next bench,
very well,
available bench, so that you can make that submission also before that court. Because when I have actually expressed that it will not be possible for me to take up this matter, let me not pass any order.
you can,
Okay.
And this is connected with item 12 and 13.
Item,
Item 12 and 13.
Lordship, in item 39 for the petitioner.
okay. So we listed before a bench without me.
Yes, ma'am.
We listed before a bench without me. Okay.
when is it? Maybe after
So-
the constitution?
No, so it'll be next week,
Next week.
or if you can make a request,
Your Lordship,
With
this week will be a problem. We have the ULB elections. Wednesday is also a
Oh.
holiday. This week will be a problem.
next week.
Next week, I have to go to Punjab for some connected matters.
Oh.
I would place it, let it be on the fourth week of next month. That's fine,
Okay. Fourth week of
next month.
next month.
All the matters,
Policy matter.
all the matters.
List the present criminal petition. Along with criminal petition /20/2024. And criminal petition 8/2024. Before a bench without me. Okay. I'm sorry.
I think it's expression of absolute fairness. I appreciate.
Small society.
It is, my lord. It is, my lord. And then just by the same token, your lordship, an expression of an extreme fairness, there is an allegation. That allegation should be answered by the person concerned.
That you don't worry about that.
No, I am worried.
You don't have,
Because-
to- you don't have. to
Because a
defend
statement
the
has been
judge.
made.
That
No.
you can defend a
A
crime.
statement has been made. Statement is being made.
We'll see about it.
This matter needs to be placed before the chief justice on what ground?
Yeah,
On presumptuous grounds.
no, I will do it.
On
Don't,
presumptuous grounds.
don't worry about
Okay. Yes, next.
Much like.
it. Date is given or we should.
That I will not be able to give any.
So whenever it comes, you can mention at
Yes,
that time.
you can, Socrates can take care of this.
For admission, item numbers 2 and 3.
One more matter is there which you
Yes,
will not be
yes,
That has been called,
airport matter.
that has been called right now.
Air-
This also.
Airport matter. Airport matter, in fact,
Yes, yes.
I am not the right. Oh, that has been fixed.
It's here today. It's been called just now, your lordship.
Oh,
Item 2 and 3.
That also may be.
okay, listed,
Same order.
listed before any other bench without me. Okay, okay.
Much obliged.
Yes, next.
For admission, item numbers 7 to 9.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, here I have an instruction. The applicants have expressed their desire to withdraw the case. In that view of the matter, lordship, this,
Just 3 cases?
yes, my lord,
Three
there's
cases.
analogous cases.
Okay.
So in that
Yes,
view,
Mr.
this application may be closed.
Okay. You're the counsel for the, I am Chin.
Lordship, I'm Ali Bozgun.
I'm very sorry. I'm always, I think, getting puzzled with your name. Mr. Aliba Uzakam, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that he has instructions to withdraw the petition. The petition is accordingly closed as withdrawn. Stop. Mr. A. Jamomi, learned counsel, appears for the
Respondents.
sole respondent.
No, there are a number of respondents.
Appears for the respondents. Okay, okay.
Much obliged.
Much obliged. For orders, item numbers 14 and 15.
May I please?
Yes.
Lordship, as per this honorable court order dated 9/5/2024.
9/5.
Yes, Lordship.
Just wait.
The appellant was
Just wait. 9/5.
2024.
9/5/2024.
Yes, Lordship.
Ha.
It's honorable court has directed the appellant to take steps for notice upon respondent number 4 by a substitute notice by way of newspaper publication, Lordship. And we have taken steps, Your Lordship. And to that effect, we have filed our affidavit also.
Where's your affidavit? You filed?
Yes, Lordship.
When did you file?
Last Friday, Your Lordship.
Last Friday.
Yes, Lordship.
The affidavit is not on record. We'll call for it. Okay.
Okay.
Mr. So-and-so. Medo.
Medovero, Lordship.
Medovero. Medovero, learned counsel for the appellant.
Yes, Lordship.
Stop. New para. In terms of the order dated 9/5/2024, the learned counsel for the appellant submits that he has taken steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by paper publication and has filed affidavit to that effect. Stop. The affidavit filed by the learned counsel for the appellant is however not on record. Registry to registry to trace the same and place on record. Listed after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship.
Listed after 2 weeks.
And Lordship, regarding this IA 93, Your Lordship.
IA.
Yes, Lordship. This is regarding stay, Lordship. Stay of the judgment and order, Lordship. Lordship, here we've deposited this 50%, Your Lordship.
50% of the, where is that order asking you to deposit?
My Lordship, regarding this date dated 9/5/2024.
No, where is that order asking you to deposit? There must be some order.
Yes, Lordship.
Asking you to deposit. Where is that order? You have deposited 9,62,000.
Yes, Lordship.
But where is that order? Okay.
Yes.
Heard Mr. Medovero,
Lordship.
learned counsel for the applicant. Stop. The application has been filed. Seeking for stay of the operation of the impugned judgment and order dated 24/1/2023, passed by the learned member, Motor Accident Claims Tribunal, Tuingsang, Nagaland, in MSC case number 4 of 2021. By the order dated 22/2/2024, passed in the main appeal. It was ordered that the operation of the impugned judgment and order passed by the learned member, the operation of the impugned judgment and order dated 24/1/2023, passed by the learned member MSC, MSCT in MSC case number 4/2021. Shall remain stayed, subject to the appellant depositing 50% of the awarded amount. Stop. Office note dated 10/5/2022 shows that the 50% of the awarded amount amounting to rupees 962,200, 9,62,200 has been deposited. Wide, what is this CPI?
NEFT, Lordship.
Has been deposited? Yes. Please come in. What is this? Has been deposited, right? CPI. CPI 21200 dated 22/5/2024 by the appellant. In view of the deposit of 50% of the awarded amount, the judgment and order dated 24/1/2023, passed by the learned member MSCT, Tuingsang, Nagaland, in MSC case number 04 of 2021, shall remain suspended till further orders. Please. Then what about any date fixed?
Lordship, no date fixed, Lordship, after
No.
2 weeks.
Release the case after 3 weeks.
Apply tomorrow.
For orders, item number
Excuse me for
15.
2 minutes. For orders, item number 15. Item 15. 15 was mentioned. No? Okay, okay. Yes, Miss
Yeah, please, Your
Majumla.
Lordship. Yes. My lord, I've taken fresh steps and service your award for this. I've taken steps on 28/3/24.
You have taken steps when, ma'am?
26/3/24.
26/3/24. 26/3, correct.
Yes.
And this is by which order?
Oh, by orders dated 26/3/24. Your Lordship.
Yes. By both process you have taken, by registered post, by usual process?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And who are this, who is, this step was
Sir,
taken,
yes.
respondent number 2 and 3?
All the respondents. To all the
1, 2, and who
respondents.
are the respondents? Who are the respondents?
None of yours.
No, who are the respondents?
Respondent 1 is the claimant, 2 and 3 is the vehicle owner and driver.
1 is the claimant.
Claimant in the claim petition.
2 is the,
2 is the owner of the vehicle, that is Mahindra Bolero. And 3 is the driver. Respondent number 1 is from Tuinsang, 2 and 3 from Assam.
to be fair, can you inform the counsel, Mr. B.N. Sharma, who was conducting the case in the, before the tribunal?
Yes, I was told that they are waiting for the Baklatnama. But from 3-4 months, they are just waiting for the Baklatnama, so.
Let us give them some time. Let us give them some time, okay? Since the claimant is there, has it, if it is only for driver and, the owner, that is a different issue, but the claimant is there. Third, MS Mahjongla, learned counsel for the appellant. Stop. Office note dated 22/4/2022 shows that return service report in respect of respondent number 1, 2, and 3 awaited. Awaiting service report listed after 3 weeks.
For orders, item number 17.
May I please, Your Lordship? My humble prayer. On last occasion, consider for interim was listed on next date.
What
which
is your
today.
interim?
My lord, actually, my senior is out of station. Therefore, Your Lordship may kindly be pleased to list after 1 week for consider of.
Who is your senior?
Takakichu.
Takakichu.
Yes, my lord.
Please, Your Lordship, I have instructions to appear for respondent number 2 in this case.
Respondent number 2. This is for the state. Mr. KV.
Worship, my colleague Miss Mera will be appearing, but she is attending one motion matter.
Okay.
My lord, I'm praying for 3 weeks' time to file my affidavit. And as for Vakalat, I'll be filing during the course of the day.
Mr. Your good name?
TKJ.
TKZ. Learned counsel submits that he will be appearing for the respondent number 2 and will be filing the power in the course of the day. Stop. Mr. TKZ further submits that he may be allowed 3 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Listed after 3 weeks. Okay.
Obliged.
My lord, my humble prayer. Your Lordship may kindly list after 1 week for
Yes.
consider of interim.
The prayer for interim shall be considered on the next returnable date. Okay.
For hearing, item number 18.
Yes, Mr. Paul, I think this is the oldest case.
Oldest case, Your Lordship. Fighting, Mr. Devnath has gone, so. The main suit was disposed under Order 7, Rule 11 of CPC. Your Lordship.
Under Order 7?
Rule 11.
What is Order 7?
Order 7, Rule 11 is that when this on preliminary that our objection was that it is barred by other law. Other law. That here the plaintiff.
Who is the
plaintiff
appellant here?
I'm the appellant, Lordship.
He is the appellant. Appellant plaintiff is the Atikur Raja Khan. But after Atikur Raja Khan, he expired his son Salikur. Now Salikur. Raja Khan.
Yes.
Actually, Your Lordship, plaintiff appellant has filed a civil suit before the that earlier assistant police.
No, the civil suit was filed before the Honorable District and Sessions Judge Dimapur, Lordship. And thereafter, Lordship.
Why are you coming up? Why are you coming in appeal?
Lordship.
Why are you coming in appeal? Just let me know that. Why are you are the appellant?
Lordship.
Why are you coming in appeal? Let me know
Lordship,
that.
I was aggrieved by the order passed by the Honorable District Judge. Thereafter, a review.
What was that order passed?
Lordship, the order was passed as infructuous. The suit was infructuous. Thereafter, a review petition was also filed before the Honorable District Judge. It was dismissed. Then I have preferred a title suit before the Civil Judge Senior Division. It was dismissed as non-disclosure of cause of action. And thereafter, my suit was also the rest CMCs was also dismissed under Order 7, Rule 11 AD by not taking up my pleadings, but on the basing on the pleas taken up by the respondent opposite parties, Lordship.
Let us see the impugn order, which you are.
Lordship, earlier this honorable court directed the parties to submit the gist of arguments and list of dates, if I may be allowed to submit it now.
Well, let us first hear you. Let us first hear you. Let us see. Which is that order or judgment you are, by which you are aggrieved?
Lordship, the judgment and order dated 29/4/2011 passed by the learned Civil Judge Senior Division, Dimapur, Lordship.
Page 244, your lordship. Page 244.
Two four four. 244 of
The appeal memo, Lordship.
everything is gone.
Recast petition, recast appeal also has been filed there. 244.
Kindly arrange this. See, just. This is appeal under Rule 29.
Yes, yes.
No, this is gone.
No.
Just take it.
In recast 233.
No, not in regard.
It is recast. My lord, there will be two set of appeal. One is recast. After the demise of Atikur Raja, Salikul Raja filed recast petition. So we have this page 233. 233.
Recast petition.
That impugn order, impugn judgment,
Page 233.
23, annexure F.
233.
33. End portion of the.
No, 233. 2333 is a continuation of written statement.
Yes, sir, there are two sets here.
Two sets, I'm in this recast. We have to go by the recast.
Yours one is? Because 233. Then my lord's copy.
Yes, take this and show them. Does written statement come objection? Just see, just give Mr. V. Devnath. There's something wrong, correct?
244, it would be.
So that can't be. In your page, it is 233.
Yes.
233.
Yeah, yes, but in the index, it reflects 244.
But in the court's copy, it is not 233.
No, it is 244, court copy is correct. 233, how it is coming, 233? Page number 250.
250, Lordship. I'm very sorry. The internal page number was 233. I'm sorry, Lordship.
Make corrections.
But as per.
Okay, yours is okay, 233.
Mine one is 233, but your lordship, this index, as per index, it says that is 244. And again, as per him, it is 250.
Mr. Devnath, you make the corrections and come.
Lordship, I'm very sorry. I beg apology.
I think you were a little sleepy when you were preparing this. This is
I
2011. I think we should
I
make
beg
an
apology.
effort.
Since being a long pending case, your lordship.
So the court copy, the pages in the court copy and this copy is different.
Different.
Lordship, different.
Huh?
Different.
It's mismatching.
And his copy also,
Yes.
appellant's copy also.
There is mismatch of the pages in the copy of the appeal memo filed before this court, as well as the copies, as well as the copy of the appeal which has been served to the learned counsel for the respondent. The learned counsel for the appellant shall make necessary correction. How much days you will take? 2-3 days?
Lordship, can it be listed next week if?
Listed on 4/7. Okay, 4/7/2024. Please make the corrections.
Lordship,
You actually like attend the registry and you see this,
Lordship.
the pages in the court copy as well as the pages in
Lordship.
Mr. PP Paul's copy. Okay, make the necessary correction as well as your copy.
Lordship.
Otherwise, your lordship, I've also prepared my.
No,
written
I
argument.
thought that, okay,
Yes.
if it may take some time, but
So-
I thought 2011, so let us address this post.
Yes. So we may be allowed to submit our written argument also. On that
Next,
day,
on the next
day,
day, yes. Parties shall also file their written submission, a written argument
Written
on the
argument.
next date fixed. Okay.
For hearing item number 19.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship,
19.
yes, the appellant is not around, Lordship.
What to do? None appears for the appellant. MS V. Sokre, Leonard, additional AG appears for the state respondents. Listed after 4 weeks.
Lordship,
Yes.
much.